Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning. My name is Sally Morris. I am a qualified trainer for Becky Mother and Child Foundation, which is a charity that helps people to gain skills in ICT. Today, my topic of today is advanced topic in Microsoft Office and academic research on Google Scholar for those that are studying universities or that are studying college and need to create papers or create essays for the schools assignments. I'm gonna share my screen so we can start the lesson. Hope you can see my screen is shared. Today we are gonna work on Microsoft Word, as I said already, and this is what we're gonna produce. These are the topics that I didn't teach last time while I was doing the lesson on Microsoft Word, as it was a basic lesson Word. This is more advanced, so there are more topics on this. The different topics on this that I didn't teach last time. So this is what we're gonna produce. So I'm gonna open a blank document. So file, new, blank document, and let's start. So let's start using Google Scholar. So we need to go on internet. I use this as internet. I use Microsoft for internet. You can use Google Chrome or Mozilla, Firefox Mozilla. So I need to type Google Scholar on Google. Okay, so Google Scholar is like Google, so it's a research motor. So it's a platform where you can search for news, books, so videos, images, anything that you want to search. But Google Scholar is just for articles and case law cases. So if you're a student, Google Scholar is very useful for you. Many students use it, in fact, for their essays and papers. So let's go Google Scholar and let's type any topic that we can search for and use it for our lesson. So my preferred topic was on nurses, so we can try understaffing of nurses and press search. So these are all the articles that came out after I searched for that topic. And these are all links. Each link opens an article or a book or a PDF. You choose the one that you bet you like most, or it is more relevant to your topic, to your essay that you need to write for your school, for your assignment. So, for example, let's start with let's read the first one. The first one says the relationship between understaffing of nurses and patient safety in hospital literature review with thematic analysis. So let's click on that. Okay, so when you open a link, it opens a web page. So you usually have a title of the article that you're reading. Um, a reference with a version, an abstract, so a short summary of all the paper before you start reading it, the publisher name, copyright, journal, and sometimes you need to pay for reading, or sometimes you need to download, or sometimes you need to click to open the real article, and they show you just the abstract. So if you don't want to pay or you don't know how to download it or you can't, you can read the next link. So you go back with this arrow. So I was here. You go back with this arrow and you click the next link. Let's try the fourth one. Okay. The impact of understaffed shifts on nurses' sensitive outcomes. So this is about understaffing of nurses in hospitals. So something related to like staff, number of staff, number of employed staff in hospitals. So what are the outcomes? If it is positive or negative, what is the quality of this number of staff in the hospital? What quality do they produce? What advantage do they give, or what disadvantage do they give? And this is the article. We have the abstract, aim, background, design, methods, results. We can read the entire article. You need to download it. I don't need to read the entire article, so I'm not going to download it. I just need to copy and paste a small extract of this article. So I'm going to copy and paste this results. That's what I need for that's what you mostly need for essays. You need to find the results of the article so you can incorporate it in your essay. And of course, you need to paraphrase it or cite it. If you don't want to paraphrase it, I need to work around it. So you need to add more statements about the topic that you want to copy and paste in your essay. Copy and paste, copy. Let's go on Word, the blank document, and I do paste. So this is the extract that I pasted from Google Scholar. I'm not gonna write anything. I'm not gonna add anything because I'm not writing this. I'm just teaching you how to copy and paste from Google Scholar topics that you want extra that you want to paste. So I'm gonna teach you advanced topics on Microsoft Office that I didn't teach last time. So let's do. We can do table of content. We can add the title first of all. So I put I place myself before the paragraphs, the first letter of the paragraph. Then I press enter, the space. It gives me a space, so a blank line where I can put the title. So I'll go to home, heading 1, and put the title, which is under staffing. Under staffing. Then I want to put an image. So let's go. I place myself at the end of the paragraph with the cursor. I click once. Then I press enter again, so I go down. Then I do insert, picture, and I want to put nurses. This window opens when you click picture, so it's your file explorer. All your files are inside here. You need to look for the place where the picture is saved, or where the video is saved, or anything else they want to attach. I want to attach this picture, so I click nurses, and then I click insert. So it inserts nurses. The pictures are saved about nurses. I want to put a figure now because this is going to be my figure. So I want here to come out label. I want the label to come out under the picture saying figure 1. So today we're going to do references and reviews. The figure inside references. I'm not going to teach about home, insert, design, and page layout because I taught this in a previous lesson that is on YouTube in the same channel of Becky Mother and Child Foundation. So if you want to put figure, let's go on references and do insert caption. I want to call it figure 1. So let's call it is figure 1. So when where it says label, you click, you select figure, and automatically it comes figure 1 because this is the first figure. Then you press OK. So you don't need to change anything if you want to put the figure already because it's already pre-selected. So you press OK, and it comes out. The label comes out under it. Then I want to put a footnote about the meaning of understaffing for those who don't know. So we go to at the end of the page. Then references, insert footnote, and you start typing what you want to teach others, what the definition. So understaffing, so you click this, you type the term, then semicolon, and you put the definition. So understaffing means number of staff, understaffing, less number of staff required in a certain word. Okay, this is my feed. That's my footnote. Then I want to put a table of content. So we go to references and table of contents. And I choose the first one, or wait like the first one. So it comes automatically a table of contents. So all the heading, we have just one heading, which is under staffing of nurses. This heading is gonna come inside the table of contents with the page number, which is page number 1. Then I want to put a table of figures as well. So go to references and we go on inside table of figures. And this comes automatically. It's all pre-selected, which is all okay. Show page number, right align page numbers. This is what it comes, how it looks like. And you choose the format from template, and caption label is figure. So that's okay. Yeah, and I want to put also, it should come out a footnote as well. The footnote. Is this? It should come out here. Yes. Yes. Okay. So this is my table of contents, table of figures, and footnotes. And this is my, usually this goes in the first page alone. So let's go backspace down, and this should go in the second page as well. So I need to place myself, I need to cancel it, delete it, and do it again. So let's go to references, footnote. Delete the footnote. You delete it from here. And you place yourself again at the second page, and you do the footnote again. You write the footnote again. So references, footnote, the staffing, column, less number of staff required in it. Less number of staff than required in a setting. And we place this up. Yes. Okay. So now as we need to put the reference. So let's go on the web page. We need to put the name of the authors, the year, the title. Yeah, that's it. So let's go on Word again. We need to put citations. So insert citation, add new source. Yeah. So is let's say article, journal article, report, author are. Let's copy and paste these people. So you select. We are following the Harvard style, so make sure it is. Let me do it again. Make sure here on references says style Harvard. That's what many people use, and most universities want Harvard. And you do citation and your source. So this is the you select with if it is a book or journal, report. as opposed to the author, we copy and pasted the author. So do Ctrl V now. To copy is Ctrl C, to paste is Ctrl V. You have to put the column. Title. And paste the title. Title is this here was 2015. City, we know the city. So that's how it's gonna tag name. No, that's not how it's gonna look like. Language is English, United Kingdom. Then say okay. That's how it looks like. DAE Twig PhD RNRM 2015. Put just the first author in the citation. So now we need to put the bibliography of it. So it's here. The next bottom. The next bottom is bibliography. So you press on it and you choose the first one. Yeah. Figures comes under no, it's because bibliography goes at the very bottom. So we need to put this at the bottom. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So this is bibliography. Yeah, the bibliography reference list. We have the citation, with the paragraph, we have the title, with the picture, we have the figure, footnote. What is it? Page 2. Let's put page number. Insert. Page number. Bottom of page. Page 1. We need to update the content of table because we shifted the content down. So we do references update table, update entire table. So yeah, page 2 comes out page 2. Figure is in page 2. So let's do references, update table, the entire table. So update table is under the table of figure. So this is for the table of figure, the table which is this. So you press this once when you do update entire table. Okay, then we need to update this as well. I wanted this in the next page. Delete it. Insert footnote, references footnote, something less number of stuff required in the setting. I need to shade this up. Okay. No, that will stay here. Okay. So your bibliography page 2. Okay, again, I left the footnote in page 2 because it was going up. Then I it up. So we have on the first title on the staffing of nurses, page 2, bibliography page 2, figure 1, page 2. The last thing I wanted to teach is word counts, grammar, and tracking of changes. So let's go on review. So let me see if this is completed. Okay, let's go on review. So in the references, we have table of contents, update, table of contents, footnote, citation, bibliography, caption. This is for the figure, and table of figure with updated table of figure. That's what I thought. So now let's go on review. In review, we have spelling. So you click this once, and it checks all your spelling. And if spelling and grammar check complete, you are good to go. If there are any error, let's try one. Let's try one prevalence. If there are any error, it takes you there. So let's do review. Review. Spelling and grammar. It highlights the word and it gives you the suggestion of the word. So it's prevalence with the E. Ignore. You have the option to ignore it, ignore whole, or add it. So it is highlighted here. It's highlighted. The correction. You say add. You click add. So if you click add, it replaces the word. See, good to go. So you need to write it. No, sorry, you need to write it. You need to type it yourself. Let me do it again. Review, spelling and grammar, to go. This review, spelling and grammar. Okay, rate or ratio, this is what you need to add. So you can do change. Okay, that I didn't see this change. You can change, it changes automatically. Now that I've done that, let's move on. Word count, if you click word count, it tells you the words, how many words you've written, and characters as well, if you need to put the character counts instead of word counts. And you also find it, you close it, you also find it at the bottom of your Word document in blue, in the blue bar. This is page 2 of 2, and next to it 136 words. So if you need to put the word count in your essay, you go at the bottom of it before bibliography. Put a space before bibliography, and you type word count, brackets, you put 136. In brackets, word count 136. So this is done. So we're done spelling, word count, show comments. We can do show comments. Comments, a new comment. Let's place ourselves where we want to put the comment. So I want to put the comment on here, thrombosis, deep vein thrombosis. So let's highlight this. Then you do review, new comment, and you specify what the word is. So this is a disease. Disease. That's for other people to view. So when they click on the comment, the word comes out. Or you can remove the comment if you don't want it, so delete. You click on it, and you delete, review, delete. The comment is deleted. Track changes. If you are writing a long essay, you can track changes inside your own essay. So let's change this word prevalence. Let's change it into dominance. Let's see if it tracks. So if you click track changes, it should come out. Prevalence review, track changes. They should be highlighted in red. Let's start with another word, greater. With oration being greater than 1, being bigger, greater. After adjusting for patient's characteristics, notice the outcomes, notice the results. Let's start with this. Okay, results. Doesn't track it. What was outcomes? Oh yeah, it tracks it now. Okay, so outcomes is now results. If you like the new word that you put, the change, you say accept change. Accept, yeah. There aren't any comments or track changes here, documents, because I have changed it. Okay, let's put result again and say accept. Sorry. My Zoom screen is overlapping with the words. Okay, accept changes. Yeah, now it comes our result. Instead of outcome, accepted it. Now let's go back. I want to put the other word back, so reject. We do reject. I rejected the change, so let me type outcome back. Okay. Now we stop tracking. Accept. Yes, accepted. Yeah, it's all completed. The lesson is all completed. So we have table of contents, figures, footnote, title, the word, the paragraph, the citation, the bibliography, word count, and that's all. I hope it wasn't difficult, that you managed to follow everything, and you can use it for your own papers or university or school assignments. Thank you for following. And I hope to see you next time in another lesson. Thank you. Bye.